Good morning. How may I assist you?
I want to check out this.
Sure. What time will you checking out?
I will check out at 12.
And your room number, please.
Room number 201.
Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, I have 5 ladies.
Do you need a bellboy?
Yes, I need 5 ladies.
Where do you want to go after this one?
I want to go to Ubud.
Do you have any transportation with Ubud?
Not yet, I don't have.
And then for your information, in here we have a transportation. Maybe if you want, you have to pay 400,000 here.
Yes, I will take it.
Alright, miss, you can stay in your room and then the bellboy will come to your room to take the luggage.
Alright, thank you.
Have a nice